Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Shopify to Zapier. First, open any preferred browser and search for Zapier. Now open the official Zapier website and make sure to sign into your account. Then click on the Create button at the top left corner and select Zaps from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to set up a new automation. Click on the Trigger button to start setting it up. Simply search for Shopify in the top search bar and then select it. After that, go to the Events section and select the preferred one. I will select New Order in my case. Now click on the Continue button and you will be prompted to sign into your Shopify account. Simply click on the Sign In button. You will then need to enter your shop URL inside the dedicated field to secure the connection. For that, open the Shopify website and copy your shop URL from the top. Then paste it in and click on the Continue button. After that, click on the Install button and Zapier will get connected with your Shopify account. Then just click on the Continue button and you're all good. For the action, select a preferred one like Send an Email and click on the Continue button. You may be asked to sign into your Google account. Simply click on the Sign In button and enter the required data. Again, click on the Continue button and you'll be prompted to enter the content of your email. Simply continue along the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Your Zapier automation is now set up to trigger an email whenever a new order is placed in your Shopify store. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.